Today we are going to do Falls and Bei. These are the two words, or you can say connectors, that can be replaced. We'll see with the help of example how can we use them in a sentence and how can we replace them. Let's begin. False means in case. False means in case, and by means during. In case, false, it works like when. It conditional means we need a verb. With false, verb position is last, whereas by needs a noun. We need a noun if we use by, and you know by is a dative prepositions. This is dative preposition. So false is equal to when, conditional, in case or if, and by means during, and it needs a noun. We'll see with the help of examples how can we use them in a sentence. Let's see the first sentence. Falls Sie fragen haben melden Sie sich bei mir. Falls Sie Fragen haben, melden Sie sich bei mir. In case you have questions, report to me. In case, false means in case and verb position last. This is first verb, comma, and then second verb. We can also start with the second part of the sentence. Sie melden sich bei mir. That is also correct. Sie melden sich bei mir, falls Sie Fragen haben. That is also correct. So report to me in case you have questions. Falls Sie Fragen haben, melden Sie sich bei mir. So you can say with false we need actually the verb, and this verb is written at the last place. This is also called Nebensatz. You know Nebensatz is a part of the sentence where verb is written at the last place. Verb position is last. There are some other conjunctions like while, when, thus, and so on, where verb goes at the last place. Let's come to the topic and see some more example with false. Falls der Computer nicht funktioniert, komme ich zu dir. Falls der Computer nicht funktioniert. In case the computer doesn't work, I come to you. Or I can reverse. Ich komme zu dir, falls der Computer nicht funktioniert. Next sentence. Falls der Zug spät ist, komme ich mit dem Taxi. Falls der Zug spät ist. In case the train is late, I come by taxi. In case, false. It can be used or it can be understood like when, if. It's a conditional. Falls der Zug spät ist, komme ich mit dem Taxi. Means in case the train is late, I come by taxi. There are some other sentences, we'll see. Falls ist die Prüfung bestehe. There is a condition. If I pass the exam. Feiere ist die Party. Feiere ist die Party. Falls ist die Prüfung bestehe. Feiere ist die Party. In case I pass the exam, I celebrate the party. In case in case I pass the exam. I can reverse. Ich feiere die Party, falls ist die Prüfung bestehe. This is false. We can use here by also. We can use by with the same sentences. These go hand in hand. But with by, we need a noun. We'll see how do we write these sentences. Similar sentences, meaning is same, but the structure is different. Just use the same sentence. Falls ist die Prüfung bestehe. How can we use with by? I can say beim Bestehen der Prüfung feiere ich die Party. Means I am saying beim Bestehen. I have used this Bestehen verb as a noun. You know, all the verb can be used as a noun, and in that case the article is always das. Beim Trinken, beim Fahren, beim Lesen, beim Spielen. Similarly, beim Bestehen means during the pass of examination, or this is the noun I have created with the verb bestehen. Let's see some more examples. Previous ones. Falls der Zug verspätet ist. Falls der Zug spät ist. How can I use? Bei der Verspätung. Bei der Verspätung des Zugs komme ich oder fahre ich mit Taxi. I can say fahre ich, travel. Bei der Verspätung, this is, bei der Verspätung, this is. Spät is the adverb I have used this as a noun. Verspätung, die Verspätung. Bei der Verspätung des Zugs, this is my genitive. During the delay of train, I come by taxi, I travel by taxi. Or in case the train is delayed, bei der Verspätung des Zugs komme ich mit Taxi. Again I can do reverse here. Ich fahre mit dem Taxi bei der Verspätung des Zugs. Previous one. Falls der Computer nicht funktioniert, komme ich zu dir. Or I can say beim Problem mit dem Computer. This is my one word. Beim Problem mit dem Computer komme ich zu dir. I come to you. This is correct. And this is my second position verb. Remember, this entire part is considered the first position. Beim Problem means computer is not functioning, computer is not in working mode. We can say Problem. Es gibt Problem. There is a problem with the computer. So beim Problem. Das Problem. So bei plus dem, beim short form. Beim Problem mit dem Computer komme ich zu dir. This is what we are using by und falls hand in hand. And here I had written, falls Sie Fragen haben, melden Sie sich bei mir. How can I say? Bei Fragen melden Sie sich bei mir. And during our presentation we also say, bei Fragen stehe ich Ihnen zur Verfügung. You must have seen this sentence. Bei Fragen means in case you have question, stehe ich Ihnen gern zur Verfügung. So again, this is my first position and this is verb second position. Bei Fragen stehe ich Ihnen gern zur Verfügung. In case any question, I am available to you. In case any question, I am available to you. So we have seen false and by with the help of various sentences, and this is what we have started with. False we have used in case, and there is a verb position last, and with by we have used noun. Okay. and we have made so many sentences. Watch this several times again and again. You will definitely have better understanding, and think about some more sentences and write your own sentences. This is the real way of doing practice. You will definitely get a lot of improvement. Thanks for watching.